In this video I'll show you 3 free compressor plugins who add vibe, can sound like very expensive paid plugins and basically can destroy your audio. The first is the Klanghelm DC1A, which looks deceivingly simple. You use input to set how hard you drive your compression.
Now's the time to take a moment and realize.
The 4 switches down below are different modes. Deep is a high-pass sidechain, so the low end of the audio will not affect compression and will make for a better low end overall. Relaxed uses RMS average loudness to base its compression on, so not peak detection.
Show you places you've never seen.
This can sound more controlled and even more natural. The third will let the left and right channel be compressed individually, and the fourth does negative compression, which is ideal to destroy your sound but also to create ducking-like effects without a sidechain. All modes can be used at the same time and you can dial in the dry-wet balance as well. OTT is a multiband upward-downward compressor. So that means it will increase audio to reach the threshold and also compresses audio above that threshold, and does this with 3 audio bands. If you use it wrong, you will absolutely destroy your audio, kill all dynamics and end up with a horrible sound. If you use it right and with great care, it will control the dynamics of your audio in a great way. Before we go to the third plugin and you made it so far, I applaud you. You probably want to see more, so make sure you subscribe to this channel for more, plenty more. Okay, the third plugin is the new Xtressor NUKE by KIIVE. If you push the plugin too hard and set release too fast, it will destroy your sound due to the very not subtle NUKE compression setting of this plugin.
Gotta catch it before it passes on by.
To get good results, play with your input, switch between release settings and play with the high pass filter.
To take a moment and realize. Gotta catch it before it passes on by. Out of sight.
But you can drive this plugin really hard and simply dial in the original audio to taste.
Places you've never seen. Hold on tight, we'll take the leap. More than just a memory.
Let's switch between the 3 plugins on my voice while I talk about the sponsor of this video, which is DistroKid. The digital music distribution platform to get your releases on basically all streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal and many, many more. You pay a yearly fee of which you can get 7% off of your first year with my link in the description of this video, and all revenue you earn will be for you. Not to mention the handy promo tools you get, the easy revenue split options and more goodies. What also sounds very much like DistroKid is Distressor. The KIIVE Xtressor is an awesome emulation of the Distressor and also throws in a fatso saturation unit. Watch my video on it in the video displayed on screen and linked in the description below.